Everyone, so I'm going to introduce a product for everyone. So are you suffering from neck pain, shoulder pain, nor are you soaring at night or waking up too tired at the morning? So this is the product for you, which I've bought it through Amazon. In case if you want to buy this product, link is in the description. We're going to unbox this. This is called memory foam pillow. It's an orthopedic pillow for neck pain, and it is completely, in case if you have neck, shoulder, surrounding pains, this is the best product which you need to invest. So we're gonna unbox this and let's check out the product. Packaging is pretty simple. And also I'm going to explain why this product makes a bit different than the normal pillow. I'll show you that why. So this is the pillow. If you see, this is the pillow, and this pillow comes with memory foam inside. How much ever you press, it's gonna get back to the original size. The reason this pillow makes a bit different is, do you see a curve at the in between? You'll see like this. Do you see a curve? So your neck region comes on this curve. So what happens whenever you sleep straight on, this neck region will actually support your shoulders surrounding your neck, so which will actually avoid snoring in case if you have any. And also you get a good sleep so that you wake up at the morning energetically. So this is the product. I'm going to show you a little bit more, and there's a small zip. I'm going to show you how the memory foam looks like. Do you see? This is the memory foam, and you can remove this, and you can also wash this pillow cover. You don't need to put any additional pillow covers for this. This comes with a default pillow cover, and the reason I brought this is for due to neck pain, and also sometimes I get shoulder pains as well. So it is very good for elders, aged people. The reason is, this is not like a normal pillow. You have a curve. This makes the product unique and special. So you can go back to your bedroom and check if your pillow has the curve. 99% no. Reason? That's the reason it is most common neck pain for everyone. So in case if you want to buy this looks pretty good and pretty premium, and the top cover is also pretty premium. In case if you want to put an additional cover, that's okay, you can put that. In case if you don't want to lose this premium look, in case if it is in future washes. So this curve is best for all your night issues like neck pain, shoulder pain, in case if you have head pain, headache, snoring at night. So link is in the description in case if you want to buy it.